Hey everyone! In today's video, I am going to talk about Perplexity AI. What is Perplexity AI? It is an AI-powered search engine and chatbot that utilizes advanced technologies to provide accurate and comprehensive answers to user queries. It is designed to search the web in real time and offer up-to-date information on various topics. To access it, open any browser and search perplexity.ai. Log in or sign up to create a new account. Set username and hit Continue. Skip this step and hit Finish. On homepage, if you click on the focus button next to it, you'll get options to narrow down where you want to search. This allows you to refine your results to be more relevant. You can select Academic to search only within published academic papers and journals, or choose Internet to search the entire web. Perplexity AI allows you to customize your search scope. If you want to search about mathematical and factual queries, you can select Wolfram Alpha. Wolfram Alpha focuses on mathematical and factual queries. Let's search within published academic papers and journals. It has provided result regarding my query from 3 sources. Let's search again using Copilot. With free plan logged in, users can try Copilot only 5 times every 4 hours. Copilot uses the more advanced GPT for language model. With Copilot, it has understood query and analyzed it. Now has provided result regarding my query considering 19 sources. We can also upload text or PDF file and get answers directly from the file. From Discover, we can see trending searches. In AI Profile, we can introduce ourselves to get more personalized results. It is also available for iOS and iPad. It is also available in Google Play Store as well. We can set it as default search engine, or add its extension in Google Chrome.